Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we have 10 minus parenthesis 5 minus 3 times 2. So first of all, solve our parenthesis, which is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 will give us 2. Then we bring down our 10 minus 2 times 2. 10 minus 2 will give us 8. Then 8 times 2 will give us 16. 16 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have the parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, moving from our left to our right. So in this expression, we have parentheses, we have multiplication, and a subtraction. So we work according to these rules. Let's dive into the right answer to this question. First of all, we solve our parentheses, which is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 will give us 2. So we bring down our 10 minus 2 times 2. We first of all solve our multiplication because it comes before subtraction. So 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we bring down our 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 will give us 6. Then 6 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.